name's Catherine. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day. You can tell by the title. I am doing a get ready with me transformation kind of thing. I don't know if this is gonna work out. Probably not. We're gonna try it anyway because it's 7:25. I gotta get my clothes up and turn this into something decent. Alright. This can't be chit chat because I'm about to be late.
Sit up, you sit up, you sit up.
What period is this? Oh, second period.
What are you doing?
Vlogging today.
It's Monday. I don't want to be videos. No, it's Monday, bro.
I need some dick. That's gonna be a catchphrase on my channel.
No, I said it.
I just need some.
Okay, I said it second. So what the fuck?
They can't even see y'all right.
I said it first.
Hey.
Okay,
Shut up. Shut up.
One person. I want you guys to nominate one person to give me a convincing argument as to why I should let you have a year-long project work dated tomorrow and push Tuesday back a day or a day.
Yes.
Right now, so that's why I'm in this very different location. But basically, that's the end of the video. I couldn't vlog that day because we had like a lot going on in our school, so I couldn't really get as much vlog footage as I usually get. Teachers were really taking phones that day, taking cameras, and like I really didn't want to get my camera taken or my phone, so I couldn't get any more footage for you guys. But that's, you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.